Hey guys, welcome to Level 3 Readiness. I got just a little bit of time. Sun is setting and I'm gonna try again this hand drill. I'm using this old fireboard and best I can tell, it's a piece of old hickory. This piece right here might be my key to getting a hand drill ember. Using the dog fennel spindle, again using an old hickory fireboard. See what we can do. Nope, not on that go round. Did not get one. The board could be a little thick, I know. So I'm gonna take a little bit more off the top. And here we go again. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Yes, 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 yes! Hand drill, woo! I can hardly believe it. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Woo. Now we gotta get it to burn. All right, let's set the camera up here. I'm closed up in here. Good night, it's burning. This is embarrassing. I can't believe it, but you guys saw it. I got my first ember. I think I'm ready now for my challenge. You know what I'm saying? I can do a repeat. I'm telling you, it's all about materials. It ain't my technique. It's not anything for me but materials. Until I got this fireboard right here, it was a no-go every time. I sat there and worked that thing, floating it, and it started smoking. So I'm telling you, it's materials, materials, materials. But I thank all you guys for giving me some tips, giving me some pointers. And I might just go one more time just to see if I can make a fire, make a flame. But man, that was really exciting. That was so exciting. Can we do it again? Can we do round 2? And I haven't even hurt my hands. Materials, materials, materials. All right, we're gonna float. See, it's already starting to smoke and I'm floating, so now we're gonna drive it. Is that one? Look at that! Look at that! I'm telling you, materials. That is insane. That was insane, like I've been doing it all my life. And you guys know I've not been doing it all my life. All right. All right, here it is. We're gonna try it again. Look at that. And I cannot get that to light. A goldenrod must be the worst tinder material. All right, this is level 3, and 3 times is gonna be the charm, right? I'm gonna make a really good bird's nest, and I'm gonna get a fire tonight with a hand drill. Here's our new bird's nest. Again, it's got some goldenrod leaves, and it's got some maple branches that are shaved up. So I got some wood, some substance in this time. And let's see if we can get another ember. This is gonna be amazing if I can do it. All right, we're gonna start driving it. Watch, I'm gonna end up breaking my board. Is that one? Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh my goodness, again. I can't believe it. All right. So here we go. Let's transport it. Try not to destroy it. Put it right here. Oh, I missed, but that'll work. And now we will close him up right here. Got nothing left to hold hardly. Finally! Guys, that is a fire with a hand drill. I did it. All right, let's put it down, let it burn. All right, but that is, that's what I call success. Oh man, I cannot believe it. You know how many times I have tried this, right? But what I always say, you do not quit, you persevere, you push, you keep going, and eventually, right? Eventually you'll get it. And so I am happy to say that is something in the books for me. But now, now do I take that and count it? I mean, is it like going out in the woods? I mean, I did. I went out and I harvested the dog fennel, but I didn't go out in the woods and harvest the hearth board. You know, I was just trying to find something that worked to unlock the hand drill. So that'll be the next part, and that'll be the challenge, right? It's like to take my tools, go out into the woods, and come out with enough to make a fire. And so I still have to hunt some fresh materials. I don't want to do something that, you know, I've had and used as a fireboard before, because it's a survival situation, right? So it's a survival challenge. And so, you know, you don't get to carry your materials with you. And I'll show you, I've got a new spindle to try. This right here is the goldenrod that I dried out. And so I did. I went right up here by the cornfield and got me a piece of goldenrod to make me a spindle. And I don't want to quit using the dog fennel now. I mean, that was 3 for 3, but on the right material. Well, hey guys, thank you for joining me this week and hanging with me till I got that flame. I want to thank you guys for subscribing. I want to thank you for commenting, for liking, for all the help and the tips you gave me along the way. I took them all into consideration. I tried them. I changed my posture. I tried different materials, and I finally got it. And you know, that's the crazy thing. It's like, and I'm going to tell you, my hands, they might not look, so that was a blood blister. There was the callus. But I did not wear my hands at all tonight. And it's not because my hands have toughened up. It's because that was too easy. I'm going to tell you, honestly, that was too easy. And I believe now that the fire plow would be just as easy if I had the right materials. And, you know, that's going to kind of get me going on that route now. It's like, what materials will actually work for this stuff? And so I'm going to go ahead and say this right here was dog fennel and a piece of hickory. And look at this. It's got some, it's like got some pre-rot in it right here. It's like dusty. Scraping out with my fingernail. But it's also got some hard to it too, you know, and it's soft enough I can put a dent in it. But yeah, so again, just I don't know how many stages before punky it's got to be, but anyways, man, I am just pumped. I'm excited about that. I will be going into the weekend on a high. I kid you not. That is what's up. And thank all of you for your encouragement and your faith and belief in me that I would get it. I do appreciate that. Every day survival, you believed in me. I'm sure Robbie, you believed in me. Robert, I believe you believed in me. SG Balk, if I could say that name right, either you believed in me or you strung me along as long as you could. You know, oh my goodness. And Koss, I know you believed in me. You know, and I know there's others out there too, and I hate it anytime you start naming names, you forget. But let me give props to my family. My family believed in me. They never thought I was crazy. They thought I'd get it every time. So again, I got it. That's another one in the books for level 3 readiness. But now we got to do it for the challenge. I'm gonna ramble on because I got so much going on right now, just excitement about that. But man, and let me say again, thanks to let's see who else, David West, and thanks to Clay Hayes, you know, and there's plenty other survival channels I've watched, fire making channels I've watched, but I believe those two guys in particularly really made me believe that, you know, I can do this. And man, who knew? All right, that's enough for that. All right, this is level 3 readiness, reminding you, finish what you start, finish strong, right? Finish strong, be ready for anything because it's coming. Man, that was great. Level 3 out. You believe I'm failing to bring it to the flame?